Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we have a mystery to unbox. So while I was at Meijer the other night, I ran across these cute Bob's Burgers Chibi in Motion mystery boxes. How cute are these? So here you can see that you can get Tina, Jean, Louise, Bob, Linda, or Teddy. I just thought they were so cute. And if you look at the bottom corner of the box, it says look for the special edition iridescent set. Could we have gotten lucky and gotten the special edition? I don't know. Let's find out. So I'll open this one first. And let's see. If I can get it open. Alright, and it looks like we got Gene. How cute is he in his little hamburger outfit? So adorable. Oh, and his little feet wiggle and his arms move. So cute. He is absolutely adorable. I love him in the hamburger. We'll set him right there. Alright, so box number 2. Let's see what we get. Alright. Oh, how cute. We got Tina. Oh, she's adorable. Look at that face. Oh. And her little legs and her arms move. That is just so cute. So here they are. We didn't get the special edition ones, but we got really cute ones. So I'm very happy with these. I'll have to go back and get more because it would be so cute to have the whole set. So cute. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!